Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor which is made by stacking n equally spaced plates connected alternatively. In this diagram there are 5 parallel plates are placed alternatively, and here first, third and fifth plate are connected to each other, and they are connected to a positive potential, and a positive charge will be given to that plates, and second and fourth plate will be connected to each other and they will be connected to earth. That means second and fourth plate will be earth, connected to earth. See, here we are considering 5 plates. A capacitor, parallel plate capacitor containing 5 plates. First, second, third, fourth and fifth plate. First, third, fifth plates are connected to each other, and second and fourth are connected to earth. D is the distance between 2 plates. D is the distance between 2 plates. And there is vacuum as dielectric medium between 2 plates. And epsilon 0 is the permittivity of vacuum. C0 is the capacitance of each capacitor. There is vacuum between these 2 plates as dielectric medium. Capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor formed by second and third plate is C0. Capacitance of the capacitor formed by third and fourth plate or fourth and fifth plate will be C0. Here we are drawing 4 capacitors. They are connected in parallel combination. 4 capacitors means what? First and second plate. First and second plate will form a capacitor of capacitance C1 as equal to C0. Third and second plate, here this plate should be third and second plate will form a capacitance C0. Again C0 is the capacitance of capacitor formed by the third and fourth plate, and fifth and fourth plate will form another capacitance that will be C0, and they are denoted by C1, C2, C3, C4, and they have the same capacitance. The capacitance of each parallel plate capacitor formed by the plates 1 and 2 or 3 and 2. First we have to write 3, then 2, because 3 has positive potential and 2 is connected to the second plate, 2 is connected to earth, or third and fourth plate or fifth and fourth plate is given by C0 as so C1 is equal to C0, C2 is equal to C0, C3 is equal to C0, and C4 is equal to C0. Now C0 is epsilon 0 A divided by D as according to the formula of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Therefore C1 equal to C2 equal C3 equal C4 equal C0 equal epsilon 0 A divided by D. C1 is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor formed by the first and second plate, and they are connected in parallel combination. Hence the equivalent capacitance, 4 capacitors, now 4 capacitors of capacitances C1, C2, C3 and C4 are connected in parallel combination. Are connected, are supposed to be connected, supposed to be connected in parallel combination. In parallel combination. The equivalent capacitance of parallel combination of parallel combination, not parallel plate, equivalent capacitance of the parallel combination of four parallel plate capacitors, or four capacitors C1, C2, C3 and C4 is given by C as C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. Is equal to C0 plus C0 plus C0 plus C0, because they have the same capacitance, is equal to 4C0. Therefore, C equal to 4 epsilon 0 A divided by D. C equal to 4 epsilon 0 divided by D. Capacitance, this is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitors parallel plate capacitor which is made by stacking five equally spaced plates. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor containing 5 plates connected alternatively. So hence C can be written as 4 epsilon 0 A by D, that is C equal to 5 minus 1 bracket open epsilon A divided by D. Now we can draw a parallel plate capacitor containing n number of plates. So now we can erase this to draw a parallel plate capacitor containing n number of plates. Here there are n number of plates are stacked one by one and they are connected alternatively. This is n minus 1th plate and last plate is nth plate. So n number of metallic plates and first, third and odd number of plates will be connected to each other or will be connected alternatively. Then connected to nth plate, and second, fourth and lastly n minus 1th plate will be connected to each other and first, second, third plate, n minus 1th plate, and finally even number of plates will be connected to earth. That means they are earthed. Nth plate, n minus 1th plate. Therefore the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, positive charge plus Q is given to odd number of plates, first plate, third plate and nth plate. The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor which is made by n number of which is made by stacking n number of plates in equally spaced plates, equally spaced plates connected alternatively is given by C equal, so D is the distance between first and second plate, D is the distance between second and third plate, and in this way again D will be the distance between nth and n minus 1th plate. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of vacuum which exists between two plates as dielectric medium. So finally we get C as n minus 1 epsilon 0 A divided by D. Same as the parallel plate capacitors containing 5 plates, it was 5 minus 1 epsilon 0 A by D. Now for this type of parallel plate capacitor, C will be n minus 1 into epsilon 0 A by D, or that is C equal to n minus 1 into C0, where C0 is the capacitance of each capacitor. Actually, there are n number of capacitors and they are supposed to be connected in parallel combination. They are assumed to be connected in parallel combination. A parallel plate capacitor containing n number of plates will behave as a parallel combination in which there are n number of capacitors having equal capacitance, having same capacitances. First plate will have positive charge and the second plate will have induced negative charge. This is first capacitor of capacitance C1 as C0, second capacitor is C2 equal to C0, and lastly nth capacitor will have capacitance Cn as C0, and they are connected in parallel combination, and equivalent capacitance will be what? C equal C1 plus C2 plus dot plus Cn. This is the formula up to n times. This is the formula of n minus 1th times. Parallel plate capacitor which is made by stacking in number of equal